the bank. Bang. What's up, gang? What about Sunday Bill? What about say?
Bad girl, good weed, big money. Oh,
hey, look, hold on, chat. Look, look. The last time I came out here, right, I was getting off the highway, and I missed. Like a car brake checked me and I missed the exit, bro. I swerved over. Like, y'all know the little white cones that be in the road, right there? Smacked all them hoes and pulled in this gas station and fixed the car right then and there, bro. Like, that shit was crazy. What's up, man? It's like White, back with another video, man. Today, like I said, if y'all watched the last video, then y'all already know what's going on and how it was, you know what I'm saying? So shit, right now, we 31 minutes away from NRG, so you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what time it is. You know, we going to eat, we in the trans did, we gonna see what we can do. So the last time, like I said, I had never put the car on E last time. I was waiting on the sensor to come in. So now that the sensor in, we gonna get it started. And shit, y'all really finna see like how this really finna wake the car up. But like I say, E on LTs is a whole different ball game. Like that shit damn near feel like you on boost or some shit. You feel me? But if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe, put the notification bell, tune in, post another video. Like I say, man, we ain't got long. We got 30 minutes till we get to NRG. I'm gonna start the count back when we get there. We gonna rock out from there, goddammit. Chat, every time I come here, they got some new shit going on. Yeah, leave this shit. I ain't never been to no shit. Yeah. Damn. Shit. I know. Hold on, let me do right shit. Yeah. Y'all hit it, motherfucker. What's going on? Yeah, it's something here. Man, this don't put me in. I ain't even vlog last time I came on, y'all. Damn. That motherfucker sounds good as hell. Oh, this your car?
Yeah.
Oh. Shit.
Yeah, we just got the final charge pipe piece.
Golly. Shit. Man, like this something I ain't really seen. Boy. Follow me. Come back this way. Oh no, this is something I'd be scared of. Oh shit. Damn, bro. We made it. This motor out. Ain't no motor in this car. I thought it was. So it's something new every time we come here, damn. It's something every time we come here, damn. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, see, I ain't even show y'all this the car that made all the horsepower the last time. This shit look like they got some more shit going on with it. What the fuck? So y'all changing the oil pump with the motor still in the car?
Yeah.
Y'all dropping the subframe or something on it? Oh, okay. Finna retune it?
Yeah, I gotta retune it now. Put a different intake, that charge pipe, because all of the intercooler stuff for the Pro Charger, it's all removed now. And now I got this charge pipe going straight from the supercharger straight into it. So all the air to fuel stuff is way off right now. So we'll fix it.
It sound good though.
Yeah. Yep.
So what you expecting to push now? Around, not the actual number, but like around.
I don't know. 850, 900.
Shit.
Somewhere around there. We'll see how good this intake is. It better be good. Shit.
It look like it. That's every time I come, it's something new.
Yeah.
Damn, man. Did y'all tune that red C7?
Uh-huh. Yeah, the both on.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I saw this video. Yeah, Retuned Hellcat.
Yeah, it did pretty good.
Yeah.
It sat on side the Hellcat for a little minute.
Yeah, it did. Yep. That's just both on.
What it? And it's like E85 headers and cold air intake or something like that.
Yep.
They gonna use some OZ wheels. Part out. Huh? Not a regular Z. Damn, that he made that bitch sound like a fucking monster. Huh?
I said they ain't put your shit. God damn, what the fuck is it?
With this right here?
Oh, that's a, that must be next in line.
Nah, I think they finna pull me in right now. Now this bitch here a monster. I ain't gonna face it, bro.
We're done. Okay, so damn.
Kit installed, chat. Go to the other side, you hear me? They got a lot of work in here. I ain't gonna fake you. Like, y'all just don't understand. They didn't, damn, my hair look fucked up, but man, I've been ever asleep. Here we go, right now. How I felt when you put it in reverse? It just went in reverse smoothly?
It did. Why? What's up?
I was just trying to make sure. I was trying to make sure I wasn't tripping.
Is it acting up on you?
Nah, it before I changed the trans fluid, when I was going in reverse, it like,
It would take a while, then it would kick.
yeah, like a kick.
Yeah. It also happens whenever they're like dead cold. Like in the mornings.
That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah, sometimes it happens whenever it's in the mornings. And like say for instance you're in a rush in the morning.
Uh-huh.
You start it up and then you like just quickly put it in reverse.
It'll jerk.
It'll take a while, then it would just kinda kick you.
Yeah, okay. Gonna do chat. Oh, what should you do?
rear pull. It's also
Yeah. They try to get for E in it, bro. They fucking y'all back, bro. Let me know what y'all think it made, shit. I'm tired as hell. What it did, Chuck. Sweet, man, it's hot. You say am I in the car? Alright, chat, so we back. Let me see something, because I never was able to use launch control. Let me see if it'll let me do it now. We'll go to settings. I just straight say enable. Do the car gotta be in? Oh, yes it do. Oh yeah, okay, I get it, okay. Okay, launch control do work. Let's do the first pull, Lord shit. Let's do the first pull, hold on. Definitely don't feel that motherfucker shoot. Definitely don't feel it shoot at all. Hold on. What y'all think? Shit. This shit way better. I ain't gonna lie. Way smoother. He run out too goddamn fast. Look, man, we finna get up this shit possible. Get back on the road. It's just like we're gonna try to get alright, gang, you know what I'm saying? We back. I'm tired. We back, man. What's that whole wreck happened up here? What the hell? Check them out. Damn, they shit flipped around. Damn. Me mind my business shit. The law looked at me when I passed by. I don't want no smoke with you, bud.
exit 429B to merge onto Dallas North Tollway.
Okay, there we go. So yeah, but yeah, everything turned out good. If you trying to make sure like button, come and subscribe. I don't know if y'all heard me talking in the last clips. I was tired as hell, bro. Like I had just woke up from a good nap. Like I said, I was just going up and sleep. Shit, I got there like 10. You know, yeah, you know, people got stuff to do. So
use the right lane to keep right to merge onto Dallas North Tollway.
like I said, it's doing a little. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all real quick. Hold on. See what I can do for y'all.
Keep right.
Ooh, that bitch kicking out. It's like, man, when that bitch kick out of that second, that bitch get to scooting up. That shit, ooh. That shit be turning me up. Y'all just don't understand, bro. That shit be turning me all the way up, bro. Like, once that bitch scoop, yeah, man, what the motherfucker do that motherfucker? Scoop and boot. Scoop and boot. I say scoop and boot. But yo, this motherfucker, you could definitely tell a difference. And wait till I put it on that E85, there's gonna be a whole totally different video. You know, might get some test runs on that E-chat. You know what I'm saying? Might get a little test run on that E, you know. See how that go. Might try to run. I know it's a manual here, kind I want for sure. I'm gonna see what he wanna do from the 40.
In about 17 miles, take the exit toward Midhaven Parkway.
I ain't scared of nobody. Oh, then, well, that's gonna be out camera. I ain't gonna tell you about that race. If it ever happen tomorrow, I'm gonna do like a little race with it. But y'all probably see this video Friday. Make sure to like button, comment, subscribe, post notification, baby Tony post another video. Y'all put in the comments what type of videos y'all wanna see next. I'm telling y'all, like, it's a whole different ball game now. It's time to get it on, and now I'm really finna be racing. Now that I got the trans tone, it kind of made it way better. So yeah, like I said, make sure to like button, comment, subscribe, post notification, baby Tony post another video, and I'm out, gang.